Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, today I'm really excited to bring to you guys a comparison between the third generation Beoplay H9 versus the Bose noise cancelling 700 headphones. Now, before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know this channel is completely funded by me alone, and all you have to do is subscribe to support more quality content, so please do so. Alright, now guys, normally when I do a verse, it goes on for quite a while. Today I'm going to do it a little bit differently and see if you guys like it better. So do comment and let me know whether you like the old system or you like this new way of doing it. First of all, I would like to talk about just some real straightforward differences. Okay, so first of all, with the lower sound frequency, the H9 has a lower sound frequency of 10 Hz versus 20 Hz for the 700. The 700s are sweat resistant and also have Bluetooth 5, whereas the H9 have Bluetooth 4.0. The Bose also has passive noise reduction, which creates an acoustic seal, reducing music from leaking out. The Bose is also 31 grams lighter. It has 2 more microphones of 8, and the Beoplay H9 has 6 microphones. However, the Bose, as with any Bose, have a specific wire that it comes with. On one end, it's not the normal 3.5 on that end, whereas the H9 has just a normal 3.5 auxiliary cable that can go in there. It also has a battery level indicator and has Bluetooth aptX support. The H9 has a bigger battery, almost twice the size of the 700s. That bigger battery means that the H9 takes 30 minutes more to charge to full, which is 3 hours. The Bose 700 take 2.5. However, the H9 have 5 more hours of playback, which is 25 to 20. I have been told that it's quite easy to replace the H9's battery as well. I would like to just mention that before somebody chucks a hissy fit at me again. Now let's talk about price. The price for the H9 are around $849 and the Bose 700 is about 600 Australian dollars. Both of these are in Australian dollars, but you can pick them up a lot cheaper. The H9 I saw for around 500 Aussie dollars online, and the Bose I saw it down to about $400. Now, the Bang & Olufsen's are well known for their craftsmanship, okay? Especially of their audio devices, even when it comes to headphones. They use luxurious fabrics and are highly comfortable. For example, the leather that they use is cowhide leather. However, the ear cups use soft lamb's skin as well as an adaptive foam to cover the ears to ensure the ears are not feeling stuffy at a long time. However, due to the round shape cups, I feel like they don't fit you as well. They're a good size, but leaving them on too long does get hot in there. Now, when we go to the Bose 700, they're not the top of the line when it comes to looks. They look very normal with a gloss stainless steel headband with a super soft gel-like foam, giving it a smooth and slick profile. So it has protein leather and soft foam to cover the ears for all-day comfort. I do find the Bose to be quite comfortable because of that oval-shaped design that they take. Overall, I think when it comes to looks, the H9 will grab a lot more second looks than the Bose 700. Now, both these headphones have introduced touch controls located on the right ear cups for both the headphones. I found that the Beoplay H9 third generation has a real improvement when it comes to these. I feel like with their third iteration, they have improved the responsiveness of their touch panel quite a bit compared to the previous models. There is a slight raised outer ring, so you can easily place your finger on it and you can feel it and know where it is. These gestures just work for the H9. The Bose 700 do it quite well as well. However, I didn't find it as useful because it will miss it at times. Both of these have a Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa button. Now, both of these headphones can connect to your phone without the app, app. However, the apps aren't that good. For me personally, they both don't hit the mark when especially compared to apps such as the ones that are offered by Sony for their headphones. Let's go on to noise cancellation. The Beoplay H9 third generation's active noise cancellation is near perfection. I have done a lawnmower and a loud PC test where I use these to make a phone call and listen to music while I'm operating on a petrol engined lawnmower. Now, needless to say, these were perfect. They do a fantastic job that kills most annoying sounds, such as the one coming from an air conditioner to city traffic, conversation on tables next to you. However, the best thing that I've noticed with the H9 is they don't put pressure on your ears and make you feel like you're underwater, which is quite common with cheaper noise cancellation headphones. Now, the only downfall of the H9 when compared to the Bose 700 is the Bose 700 lets you choose how much ambient noise you can hear. You can select from levels up to 10 of noise cancellation on the Bose app. So for example, at level 1 to 5, you'll still be aware of important announcements in airport terminals or honking in traffic. Higher levels cut down on the background noise until you're unlikely to hear someone shout in your face. Having said this, the H9 has a transparency mode that performs similarly, but you can only have it on or off. Initially, when I got the Bose 700, it was quite disappointing on noise that you get when you're on a call. However, they've fixed this with firmware update. When it comes to sound, the H9 have a fantastic high fidelity sound. However, falls short when it's compared to how much you're spending for a pair of these headphones. For example, the bass on the H9 is pushed a lot further than the mids and highs. For those who love bass, this will definitely be an enjoyable experience, but for audiophiles, this will be annoying as they will notice that they're less accurate and controlled than they should be. Combine that with a mid-range and slightly emphasized upper range, the sound character sounds smooth and lively. Vocals are crisp and can be made out, but an overbearing bass might turn off fans of music genres other than hip-hop and pop, etc. In comparison, the bass on the Bose 700 is quite impressive at low volumes, though it doesn't overpower other frequencies. It doesn't get magnified when you pump up the volume either, which can leave it flat. There's also a great finesse in the tremble and mids compared to the H9. All in all, personally, I prefer the H9 sound profile over the Bose, but I guess it's something that you will need to hear for yourself to appreciate better. Verdict time. Now, I've done a proper review of both of these headphones. I'll link them in the description below. I've also done an unboxing of both of these. I'll also have that in the description below as well. However, for my recommendation between these two, I'd have to go the H9 just for the looks and the name, and also the punchier bass that I enjoy. I also personally found the touch suggestions paired with the better call quality was the deal breaker for me. I'm not a great fan of Bose 700 headphones, so it is very hard for me to recommend those. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. I hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.